Yo guys, welcome back to 400 Media. So today, as you can see, I'm literally in Mexico, deserted parts of Mexico. Today is the second car of its kind that we're doing on the channel today. The car is, well, those who know me know I love a red car. Favorite color is red. So I've been wanting a car that sounds like this for quite some time. I think he has arrived. So welcome to 400 Media. Yo guys, so you join me inside the car with the good old friend Mr. Cesare Goodman. How are you, sir?
Hi there, I'm good, thanks. Yourself, Sergio?
I'm well. Yeah, me and Cesare know each other from school, since school already.
Primary school.
Primary school, yeah. And we always had a beef like, I'm gonna be faster, no, you're gonna be faster. Mr. Cesare, last time I saw you, you had a very, very beautiful Honda Civic, or Honda Ballad at least.
Yeah, 180i.
Yes. And then when I saw you a few weeks later, you had this car.
No, you got it all wrong.
Okay.
I had the Honda for about a year, and I've been driving it in and out to Claremont to work.
Yeah.
And eventually I thought, nah man, this car is using too much money on fuel to get to work. So I sold it, and I bought a Hyundai i20.
Yes, sorry, that's the car.
With the Hyundai i20, I actually saved up a lot of money.
Okay.
Because there's nothing to be done on the car, it's light on fuel, it's get in and go, there's no maintenance that I had to do on the car so far yet. So I had that car and I was saving up to buy a VVL.
Oh.
But then a good old friend of mine took me to this car, which was 2-liter 8-valve at the time.
Okay.
And when I bought the car, I actually took it because it had everything in already, which was coilovers, dictator management, a sunroof, and that's the reason why I bought it.
Okay, so if you hadn't to see this car, you would have bought a VVL.
I would have saved up and I would have bought a VVL, yeah.
Okay. Mr. Cesare, what year model is this car?
This is 204, 205, 1.4 carburetor, new spec.
New spec, okay, that's obviously like the fuel injection and 2-liter 8-valve, correct?
2-liter 8-valve.
But it's 16-valve now. ABS?
Yes, ABF with throttles.
Okay, what's done? Okay, you said the car does have coilovers in. What's done to your engine? Is it standard?
I bought the engine from a guy in Elsie's. It was standard. At the time was still East Cape Town standard.
Okay.
So what's been done to the car is we put on a set of 45mm black top throttles.
Okay.
With 100mm ram tubes, and we cut the standard cams to 268 at the master cams, yeah. Besides that, the header standard, the block is standard, nothing else has been done.
Now my question is, why did you only do 268? I know VW guys, like the guys with the 2-liter 8-valves or ABS go 288.
Yeah, that is part of my future plans.
Okay.
Buy me a set of bullet cams and then do the head and the block as well, yeah, to have it fully modified for racing.
Okay, so the car's on pump fuel. How much? What numbers did you make on the dyno, if I may ask?
I had the car at Faroli Performance Center about a week ago.
Yeah.
We made 133.9 kilowatts and 210 Newton meters, yeah.
Which is decent for essentially for a car just with cams and
the throttles,
yeah.
And besides the breather mods, which is 4x2x1 power flow branch.
Okay.
And 57 to 63 mil exhaust
yet again, that power to some, like the VVL owns would say,
Yeah.
maar hy's baie kraggy.
Yeah.
But for a car that weighs the weight that this car weighs, it's enough.
It's enough, yeah. And yeah, we can drive a VVL with more kilowatts than we.
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
sure,
we
I'm
can
sure,
go.
I'm sure. No, but like I said in the intro, we've been friends since school,
Yeah.
and I love. My favorite color is red.
Yeah.
So, and when I saw this car had white spoons on before.
Yes,
Why swap?
and
to
they had
varsity?
white spoons on with 175s. But when racing, that 175 tires and the spoons doesn't work very well.
Okay.
So the wheel spin was too much, and I had to sell it because 195 50 tires on the spoons, it doesn't look nice on the car.
True.
So I decided to get the velocity wheel again and put on 195 and tires.
Okay. Talking about gearbox, is your gearbox still standard?
This is a standard 1.4 FFZ gearbox, yeah.
1.4.
1.4 came with the car.
Yo, this W gearbox can take a punch, no?
Can, yeah. I'm surprised it's lasting very long at the moment. Yeah, the way I've been going on with the car so far.
Yeah. Well, there was a point in time where I stood on the roof of my house and I could hear just throttles coming from I don't know where. And then I said, "Yay, red car!" Oh, Cesare.
Yeah.
What's your future plans with the car, Mr. Cesare?
The future plans, like I said, it's the bullet cams.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what size yet. And then to have the head port and gas flow, the BMW pistons.
M50.
I'm not sure what it is, but the mechanic, Ricky Performance.
Okay.
Most people know him as Pokey or Cardi.
That's the guy from Momri.
From Mobria.
Yeah.
He built the engine, so he's still busy with doing some homework, research as to what the future mods are and what we are gonna do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Cesare, thank you very much for bringing us your car for us. I always love seeing this car.
Yeah.
Because this car is a showstopper, if I may call it, by the way it looks and the way it sounds. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon. It will help us as 400 Media bring more local cars like this to the channel, to you guys. And guys like Cesare, I mean, I've known him for many years. So
Grade 1 primary school.
Yeah, exactly.
Sub A, what do you call it? Sub A.
I have no idea what you call it.
Grade 1 is sub A.
was also
grade
lucky
2
to
is
school
sub
it.
B. Yeah.
But yeah, it brings more local content to you guys. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below and hit that bell icon, Mr. Cesare. Thank you very much.
Thank you, 400 Media, for having me.
Just a pleasure. I'm going to follow his car if he does do upgrades, and then I'll bring it to you guys. Thank you.
See you
Safe.
guys. Bye bye.
Yo guys, so Cesare is allowing me to drive his car. Very nervous. I made a joke that only Nissan guys allow me to drive the car, so yeah, and I've known Cesare for quite some time. So he's allowing me to drive his car. So let's see what's what.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Sound of ITBs! Yeah, there's just something about ITBs that I don't know how to put it, but that can change your day. That's third gear, no?